Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? Happy Easter to you all. Yes, I'm sitting down. I'm in my kitchen, of course. And I just want to say blessed, holy and peaceful Easter to you all, my YouTube family. From right here on the Jamaican cooking journey, extending right over onto the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. And if you're watching this video and you don't know what's this Jamaican Debbie Deb's train, it's my second channel. So I want to thank you so much for your love throughout the year. This is my second, wow, this is my third Easter. We had 2017 Easter, we had 2018 Easter, and we are in 2019 Easter. So this is my third Easter with you right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you so much. And I want to say to you all, hope you are enjoying. Make sure you're enjoying with your family, with your good friends, and all of that. Not won't be long, just checking in to say have a blessed, some of you all, most of you, a lot of you, like in other countries, like especially America and Canada, I know work is the key. In Jamaica here, very few people work. Most of us are at home. Some people gone to church and all of that. People do what they want to do. We respect people for what they do and what they want to do, okay? If you don't celebrate Easter, we respect you that you don't celebrate Easter. The choice is yours. Who does it? Let us. Who don't do it, also try to respect those who celebrate Easter. And I can't leave without I say I want to thank you all so much for coming out on WhatsApp, coming out, stepping out on Instagram with those escovitch fish pictures and videos that you're sending to me, buns and stuff. I want to say thanks. I'm feeling fulfilled. I am feeling fulfilled. I when I saw the pictures of the escovitch fish up to 11, 12, 1 o'clock last night, when I woke up this morning, those are the times that they were coming in. And I know some people are not through what I don't get from some people yet, because they don't get to make theirs. It is a beauty to see them coming out, and people been saying, Miss Debbie, I didn't know how to prepare my fish before now. So I just want to say I love you. I am so proud of you all. Continue tooting your horn. Make sure, if whatever the Lord blesses you with, make sure you can share with somebody that don't have a slice of bun, because you know that Easter is about caring and sharing. Matter of fact, we're supposed to be caring and sharing all day, all night, all year through. But this time of the year and Christmas, people tend to go above, and extra. If it is that somebody that don't have, and they will accept, if you can't afford to give them one full bun and a tin of cheese or a big piece of cheese, if they can accept a slice, because if they are your real family and are your real friend, they can accept a slice or two of your bun and cheese. Okay? If you have your friends and your family and they have and you have, exchange and share. You taste for them and them taste your hand. So I'm just here, this little video is just about to say, stay loved, stay blessed, stay peaceful, stay peaceful. Thumbs up to you all who have stepped out. You have surely stepped out, and I'm so proud of you. Remember, the Jamaican cooking journey continues. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.